Okay, good evening, candidate number 4. Yes, I'm always ready. Discussion. Okay, what can you say about the increasing number of persons living with HIV in our municipality? Thank you, Ma'am Rexy, for that very, very wonderful question.